It's my most favorite time of the year, Diwali or Deepavali. In this video, I'll be showing you how I spent a bit of my day at home here in Trinidad and what I prepared. Diwali is the best ever, totally different from India. And even with the whole pandemic, I was still very happy, looking forward to this day after massive preparations, cleaning and organizing my menu and going grocery shopping and all of that stuff. These pictures show the flowers prepared for our evening puja or prayer session. Lakshmi Pada or Goddess Lakshmi's feet. Look out for more explanation on how I made this a little later down in the video. And some of the traditional sweets that I made all by myself. Happy Diwali, everyone! It's Heidi from Chilling with H, and it's Diwali day, and we're cooking up a storm. Well, not really, just a few things. Frying some kachori here, and my mom, she's making alooroti that is going to go with some paneer that I made a little while ago. Happy Diwali to everyone! And we're frying some kachori, and then we have puja later online with our Guruji. How are you today? And it's Diwali evening here in Trinidad and Tobago, and just completed puja, just completed lighting up my yard and passing out some parsad. Check it out. So I'm going to share those for the neighbors in just a little bit. And I got some sweet rice there. Those I made with basmati rice. It turned out really, really well. So I am very proud about that one. So today is a very, very special day. It's one that I always look forward to every year, and I'm really happy to celebrate Diwali this year because of the pandemic. It's been months since I actually got this dressed up. So check me out. I'm in a red and green lehenga. I don't know if you can see that there. So we completed puja at about 6 o'clock also. Wow, if you heard that, that's firecrackers, a lot of firecrackers outside. I'll show you what's going on outside in a bit here. So this is, we completed the puja, Lakshmi Mata and Ganesh Bhagwan puja. Thanks to my Guruji, Pandit Sunil Uja Maharaj. Oh, hey, somebody's on. I'm not too sure who it is. Let's see. So this is what outside looks like right now. This is the front yard. And yes, I spread all these beers all by myself because mom is not physically able to. So I did this, and then this is my brother's section. So they dressed up a lot with lights as well. So this is what it looks like. And this one is having a ball of a time because his friend is visiting. Diwali is such a beautiful time of the year, and I really enjoy it all the time. I always get dressed up the Lakshmi Pada means Lakshmi's feet, and it's made with yellow powder, and it's like a fuchsia pink gulal or abir powder, and I decorated it with some petals from pink carnations and yellow ones. It's so beautiful. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video even though the audio was a bit cray-cray, but this is how I spent my Diwali holiday in our little island of Trinidad, traditionally and festively. Thanks so much for always supporting me, for always being there for us on Facebook, and I wish you guys a safe and enjoyable time. Shubh Diwali.